The harm that mobile phones and social media can cause to young people is being highlighted in a new film. It's the idea of a mum from Bath who was so concerned she set up her own company to campaign on the issue. Laura Jones has our report.
There's something happening to children born in the last 20 years. They are not living the lives they should be living.
The message is clear and stark. According to these experts, the screens and devices our children are using are causing them immense harm.
We're seeing increasingly younger children with issues like very poor sleep,
poor attention and listening skills,
behavioural disorders, an increase in mood disorders, anxiety.
And the first thing I ask parents is, how long does your child spend on the screen?
This film, which was launched this week in Bath, is designed to highlight the issue, and there are some real concerns, especially when it comes to the very young.
The speech and language therapists are profoundly concerned, and they are adamant that these issues with young children hearing and speaking fewer words, taking less conversational turns, is directly associated to the amount of time they're on screens.
Others say there are also links to a rise in cases of neurodevelopmental conditions such as ADHD.
There is an argument that we are creating sort of an acquired ADHD because if we give smartphones and social media to very young children, their brain will create new pathway, new networks, and it will reduce their attention span, it will reduce their patience, and that will create a pathway in their brain that can mimic ADHD symptoms.
And at a time when many young people are sitting exams, there are concerns about their ability to focus and revise. And yet a recent study showed that taking phones away during school hours made a huge difference.
They concluded that in those schools that had taken away phones, grades went up by 1 or 2 points at GCSE. And that's massive. And this took out all the socioeconomic, all the other issues around comparative.
This event was organised by a mum from Bath, so concerned about the issues she felt she had to act. And she's clear about what she thinks needs to be done.
What I would like is really simple. 2 things. One is legislation to stop under 16s being on smartphones and social media. Number 2 is a public health campaign so that parents are educated about the harms.
For many, this is fast becoming the issue of our age, how we protect our children in a world where technology rules. Laura Jones, BBC Points West, in Bath.